Okay, and your Bible solve Leetcode number 198. Me and my friend of house politician, right? And he basically, you say you are a professional politician planning to rob houses along the street. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed. The only constraint stopping you from robbing each of them is that the adjacent house have security systems connected, and it will automatically contact the police if two adjacent houses are broken into at the same night. Given an integer array nums representing the amount of money in each house, return the maximum amount of money you can rob tonight without alerting the police. In all my examples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 1. And an example is offer where just untumi a die bia no untumi rob a dine na ben right into rob a dine where you can rob the adjacent house, so you have to go to the next one. Into no rob one untumi rob 2 so call rob 3 now untumi rob 4 and yes alarm people into rob we are no jump akusi and rob into no share we are from this list now which one rob 1 and a 3 and I say 2 and a 1. Now in this scenario no, which of them the one in the most sika will be to me a rob if you know clearly you know rob 1 na rob 3 I will be 4, right? And then you know and I will to say you know rob 2 9 and a 1, right? And over 12 or rob 7 and a 3 about 10 into your maximum. Into you know how can you solve this problem with programming, right? Into for example way near the baby. Into example way amount if you 2 7 9 3 1, right? Into you see or robo way ultimate robo second one or robo way so into start if you hanoma which my rob ultimate robo way but which my robo way, right? You can say robo way with my robo way after have a robo way, right? And I say robo we are ultimate robo way so with my robo way, right? Into two scenarios maybe 10, but offer some you know the one in the maximum value. We show we are the blue scenario no 7 plus 3, red no 2 plus 9 plus 1 which is equal to 12, and blue no is equal to 10. Into clearly way, but yeah sure. Say how can we how are we able to make break this problem into the smallest scenarios possible? Smallest scenario possible, you have say first day so robo way in sika in now being at one say. So robo first one on you say create first max 1 will be equal to 2. Everyone say if you be any honor me, right? We go have to na say if you mean one, right? If you mean we inquire over a person by say eventually max 2 and we had a maximum of 2 and 7, right? Which will be equal to 7, right? In T max 1, so if you back way 1 over a 2, but if you mean we inquire 1 hour over there, the maximum of these 2, right? nti afan say I am max 1 me anyway is my max 2, right? It is when just from this one, when you're max 1 and max 2, you can use this same information to continue to get max 3, right? It is a third if you way back because you need say want to me and Robo's second one way, right? The only one I'll be to my end is in fact say max 3. Ever hear the max of ABS away. Max 2 and then max 1 plus 9, right? And that will be my max 3. And the same applies, right? Moving is in Tiazi max 7 max 3 no. Max 3 will eventually never be equal to the max of max 2, which is 7, and then max 1, which is 1, which is 2 plus 9. So 2 plus 9, which will be equal to 11. Right? Until you drew 11. Right? Near a shift 70 has say no. Ever be the new a person find max 3. Everyone say max 4. It will be the same thing. The max is here anyway, but 3 no, I say 3 you to me fan count the 7 has say 3 no plus 7, right? Which will be called a max of 3 plus 7, and that's a max of max 4, max 3, right? In this scenario, this is how I'll be to me solve programmatically, If you think about the problem this way, now we're going to solve a problem. Let's look at it again. First, you'll be breaking it down to the smallest possible. Or put a first one on Kwana, a max 1, when you're 2. Or person rob a few we penny one person robber. You find a maximum of 2 and 7. In this case, it will be 7. And so on. Now we're shifting. So let's look at how we can solve this problem programmatically Python on Leetcode. There are some few base cases here I will say clear, right? If it's not, right? If not nums, which means any array, if you be any right? So we just return 0. There's nothing to rob, that didn't be 0. And finally say n is equal to the length of nums, right? Also, if n is equal to 1, then we will just return the first, right? Say about compare, say array near about compare, right? If you never 0, if you back up and on one or one day, that's the maximum you can get for that day. Now, in himself, say if you back up and on right? Max 1 will be equal to nums 0, right? That's it. Second, if you also max 2 will be equal to the max of nums 0 and then nums 1, right? And see, I know I will look through, I will find it max 3, max 4, max 5 to whatever number. So for I in range. This here you will 1 and 2 did that. In this here, right? Yep, 3, 4, moving forward, right? To N. The final max will be equal to max of max 2. And that's a max 1 plus this is the same implementation here I was saying. Max 2, max 1 plus 9. Right? And then my max 3 now. Inti. And only in your was saying. 6 year no. You move will be a quasi. Max 1 will be equal to max 2. And then max 2 will now be equal to current max. Right. Basically, you're shifty way, max 1, max 2, I must say, be true, has you move your from 1, max 1 and max 2, you move them any back, right? So you will keep track of the movement now we are done, because this is step that will a bit multiply, a bit move you on step by step, and then calculating the max until we reach the final stage, and then we just return a max 2, right? And this is how you will solve house robber or house politician, like I call it. And here is we are correct. Okay, so there is a problem. Max 1, we know say max 1 is not defined, which means my naming convention means max underscore 1 and okay. I was saying it was a current max is not defined, so current max normally R instead of 1R. Alright, this is how you will solve it. Besides the spelling mistakes or in there, but basically this is how you will solve a problem like this. Right, thank you very much. Bye bye.